what are the latest technologies available that can help them achieve this?
See, all are laser-based technologies, and they are applicable only after the age, when a person attains the age of 18 years, means once the growth of the body is almost complete and the number has stabilized for a few months, then all these procedures, they come into play. So they are all laser procedures, and they are all done on the cornea. I would like to show you on the model what exactly is the cornea. So this is the model of the eye. From here the light goes. This is the cornea, or the transparent structure in front of the eye. The light goes from here. This is the natural lens, which turns opaque with increasing age, and it is called as cataract. And then this is the retina, where the image is formed. So all the laser procedures for removing the spectacles and contact lenses are done on this cornea. So these laser procedures are actually, they are there from last 25 to 30 years. Initially it was called as PRK, then came the LASIK, and then LASIK had certain advancements in terms of the customization, what we called as the customized LASIK, and then came the Contoura vision. And then we have another set of very good procedure called lenticule extraction. And in that, now we have the latest procedure called Silk by Elita from the house of Johnson & Johnson, which is one of the largest and the biggest pharmaceutical and surgical company all over the world.